In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Perplexity answers as a PDF. This is perfect when you want to preserve a clean, shareable copy of your research, keep a record of sources was, or read offline without the interface getting in the way. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along the first time. Start by opening your browser and heading to Perplexity AI. You can do this on a computer or a mobile device. Once you're there, run your query as you normally would and wait for the answer to finish generating. Take a moment to review the response on the page. If there are any sections labeled Show More or expandable parts of the answer, click to expand them now. Anything that's collapsed won't appear in the final PDF, so it's worth making sure the content you care about is visible before you export. When you're happy with what you see, look for the download icon near the answer area. It typically appears toward the upper part of the page and looks like a downward arrow. Click that icon to open the export options, then choose PDF. This tells Perplexity to package the visible answer into a document. The tool will include the content you see on screen and often the citations or references displayed with the answer. If you rely on those, scan the answer to make sure they're shown before exporting. After selecting PDF, your browser will prompt you to save the file. Pick a folder you'll remember and give the file a clear name so you can find it later. On mobile, you'll see a similar prompt from your device's Files app. If the download seems to take a moment, that's normal. Longer answers may need a few extra seconds to render. Once the download completes, open the PDF to verify everything looks right. Check that the text, formatting, and any lists or code snippets appear as expected. If something important is missing, go back to the answer, expand any hidden sections, make sure your zoom is at 100% so the layout is stable, and export again. If you don't see the download icon, refresh the page and confirm you're viewing a specific answer rather than the home screen. Being signed in can also help ensure all features are available. And that's all there is to it. You've gone to Perplexity AI and you've used the download icon to save the answer as a PDF. Now you have a tidy, portable copy you can reference anytime or share with teammates and clients.